Alright, so it is right now Monday, September 27th, 2021. Approximate time is 7:17 p.m. And it looks like we have a fire alarm going off here at this apartment complex. I think it's called Habitation Charlevoix. And there's Charlevoix Metro Station right there. And I assume we're probably going to get a response here from the fire department. And we'll see what happens here, and yeah, like I said, we'll get a response probably within the next moment or two. And I'm going to pause the video just so you know, first of all, the reason why those lights are flashing, I believe that's for people that are hearing impaired that may not be able to hear the fire alarm. Kind of gives them, you know, a visual signal that there is a fire alarm in progress. Oh, I guess we're not going to pause the video. Here's a response right here. Station 15, truck 215 coming first. And we'll probably get another pumper truck and 2 ladders. Ladder 493, I think that's a spare truck. There's one going through here. Another pumper truck. There's our second pumper. He'll probably park on the other side, or he might actually come right around. And I think we're due for one more truck. Another ladder truck, I believe. And here comes that second ladder truck, probably the last truck to arrive. Don't know which one this is. Looks like could be coming from the Verdun station. 66 perhaps. 495. And here's a municipal habitation. This is a municipal truck for the municipal housing. RSHQ, that's for these apartment buildings such as this one. So yeah, this is a, you know, typical response for a fire alarm. And yeah, I'll wrap it up here. Have a good night, everybody.